Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the mouse and removing the dongle to avoid short circuits. Once done, remove the PTFE feet. Beneath each is a screw. Unscrew them and set aside. Now use a plastic spudger along the seam to lift the top shell. Do this slowly so clips don't break. You're doing this to access the side button assembly and micro switches. Careful opening prevents damage and preserves click feel. Make sure to keep screws organized for reassembly. You should disconnect the internal cable or remove the battery to isolate power. Once safe, lift the internal shield and inspect the side button PCB. Look for cracked solder joints, broken traces, or debris under the switch. If the micro switch is worn, desolder it and install an identical replacement. Alternatively, reflow suspicious joints with a fine soldering iron for solid electrical contact. You do this because poor solder or a failing switch causes intermittent clicks. Careful work preserves original alignment. You now reconnect internal cables and lower the top shell into place, ensuring side buttons align with cutouts. Then reinstall screws under the PTFE feet and press the feet back on. Plug the mouse in and test button response using the OS or a button tester app, checking for consistent actuation. If problems persist, double-check your solder joints and continuity with a multimeter, or try another known good switch. Intermittent faults usually mean a marginal solder joint or a partially failed switch. Replace or reflow accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.